Good morning everyone. So in this video we are going to see what is balers and types of balers. A baler or a hay baler is a piece of farm machinery used to compress a cut and dragged crop into compact balers that are easy to handle, transport and store. Often balers are configured to dry and preserve some instant, that is nutritional value of the plants bundled. Different types of balers are commonly used, each producing a different type of bale, rectangular or cylindrical, or various size, bound with twine, stripping, netting or wire. Components of balers: pickup and elevating unit, feed convey, feeder compression chamber, tying mechanism. Pickup and elevating unit. The unit take the straw from the windrow and elevates it to the point where a feed conveyor can carry it to the bale chamber. The pickup consists of a series of spring-loaded tine which gently lift the windrow and guide it along the stripper bar. At the top of the pickup, the tines retract downward to be really to lift a new portion of the windrow. On many machines, the pickup serves as the elevator, but an older machine, a separate elevator was used. Balers intended to pick straw by mower conditioner may be picked up tine spaced much closer than together. Feed conveyor. This device conveys the straw to the side of the bale chamber. Large diameter auger or common feed conveyor. However, on some machines, several times extended from the feeder acts to convey the material to the bale chamber side. On some old machines, rubber belts were used for this purpose. Feeder. The feeder takes the straw from the end of the feed conveyor and actually places it in the bale chamber. In most cases, the feeder enters the bale chamber when the plugger is forward. For this reason, it must be timed accurately with respect to the plunger. Compression chamber. Straw is compressed in bale chamber by the plunger, which is driven by a large crankshaft and connecting rod. Each new charge of straw is compressed against the previous charges. Partially formed bale moves slowly through the chamber by the plunger, forcing new charges against it. Tying mechanism. The tying mechanism consists of knotter, needles, and metering wheel. These parts are responsible for tying each bale when it has reached its correct length. Balers. The finger of the metering wheel extended partway into the bale chamber, so the metering wheel turns slowly as the bales pass through the chamber. Rotation of the metering wheel trip the knotter clutch to engage power to the needle and knotter to tie the wheel. The relationship between the metering wheel and the knotter clutch can be adjusted to change the wheel length. On most machines, this can be done by sliding a collar on the trip arm at the metering wheel. Expandable chamber round pickup baler. The most common type of round baler is expandable chamber round pickup baler. This type of baler pick up the straw with a conventional tooth pickup and moves the straw into the bill chamber using roller and belt. The straw is then pressed using belt and rollers or apron chains. As the straw is fed into the bill chamber, it expands, producing a bill of relatively uniform density. As the bill reaches the desired size, twine is fed into the chamber and wraps around the bill as it turns. After the bill has made appropriately one revolution, forward travel is stopped and the twine continues to be fed in while the bale makes 6 to 10 more revolutions. After the wrapping is completed, the tailgate is raised and the bale is ejected. The tailgate is then lowered and a new bale is started. Bales produced by this type of balers usually have a high density and weight from 0.5 to 1 ton. This type of baler is usually easy to use and have overall capacity ranging from 2 to 12 ton per hour. Power requirement varies from 10 to 25 kilowatt, but a tractor with at least 48 kilowatt is recommended to fully utilize the baler capacity. Round roll baler. It uses the least amount of tractor horsepower of the three type of round balers. A pickup is used to roll the straw forward along the ground, and belts, grids and cables are used to form the round beels. Beels made with the ground roll baler tend to be lighter and less dense than beels created by the other two type of round balers. This type of beels can experience significant losses during handling, transporting and storage. Overall capacity with these balers is very dependent on operator experience and can vary from 1 to 5 ton per hour. Power requirement usually do not exceed 20 kilowatt, but a tractor with the least 34 kilowatt is recommended to fully utilize the baler's capacity. Fixed volume round pickup balers. In fixed volume round pickup balers, the pickup lift the straw into the bill chamber. The bill chamber, however, is of fixed volume and the bill does not take shape until the chamber is nearly full. Beels from this type of machines will have a low density core than those produced by the expandable chamber balers. Although this type of machines have a capacity similar to the expandable chamber type, the power requirement appear to be higher. Overall capacity of this type of baler is the same as expandable chamber round pickup baler, but power requirement is up to 45 kilowatt has been measured. So that's the end of our video. So in this video we have seen what is balers and the different types of balers. Thank you.